So I want to show you an amazing back massage that you can give your kid that they're going to love and that you're going to love because it's easy, it's fun, and hands-free. So you're going to feel so good giving it. And stick around right to the end because there's a sweet bonus move that I want to show you that your kids are just going to go crazy for. And my name is Shai. I'm the founder of the Still Light Center, School of Thai Massage. I've been teaching Thai massage for almost 20 years. I've been massaging this one since she was just a few days old. It's one of the most favorite times of our day. Definitely mine. And what do you think?
Mine too.
Oh, good. Great. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on that subscribe button and on the bell so that you get notifications every week when I post a new video. So let's do it. Opal, lie down, make yourself comfortable. All you need for this one is really just a good pillow that they're going to be happy to lie down on. And for you and for your body, make yourself comfortable as well. So that could be, depending on your body, sitting on the bed right next to them, or maybe sitting on a chair right next to the bed, or it could be standing too. So what you want is you feel comfortable and that you have enough space that you can rock, so that you can move your whole body and make sure that everything comes from your core, and that minimizes the work of whatever part of your body is going to be actually making contact with her back. So if we're not going to use our hands, what are we going to use instead?
Elbows.
Elbows. So let's talk about our elbows, because when you think of your elbows, we often think of this pointy part here, and yes, we can use the pointy part here, but actually where we're going to start is the flat part over here, so that when you use the flat part of your elbow, you can just softly make contact, explore, see what that feels like, and then go from there. Now, you might use the point of your elbow, and you reserve that if you feel like there's a deeper amount of pressure that your partner wants, or if you feel like some deep tension that you're trying to get out. But otherwise, most of this is really just using the flat part. You might throw in a little forearm or two. We'll see how it goes. Kids are often really sensitive in their bodies. And when you first put your hands on them, they may be laughing, they may be giggling, they may be jiggling, they may be moving. So one of the very first things you could do, it's super sweet, is really just put your hands there. Softly press, make some circles. Let them know that you're there. It's a grounding feeling, it's loving, it's nurturing, it's awesome. And then taking the side of my elbow, and in fact, for the comfort of my body, what I can do is literally just put my head in my fist over here, be like the thinker, and just hang out.
Can I please have some more pressure?
Oh, Opal is asking for more pressure. Yes, of course, Opal. So how do we do that? So my other hand, you may be wondering, what is it going to do? Well, I can just hold on to my elbow and forearm area, and I'm going to help that other arm out by making some circles and guiding it in, and then rocking with my body, as we said, and just kind of pushing and holding and release and repeat. And so I can wiggle, I can circle, I can start really light and then sink in and press. So now how's the pressure?
I like it.
You like it? Excellent. And I started off on the side of the back that is closer to me. So here's her spine in the middle, and I'm on the side closer to me. And I'm starting there, and I can work my way down the back. And then if it's not too much of a reach, you can just hop over the spine and be on the muscles on the other side. Now, if it is more of a reach, if your kid is bigger, for example, then just simply change sides. Walk around and come onto the other side of the bed. Or if you're sitting on a chair, have them turn around so that you can still reach them comfortably. So as we said, we're starting with our circles, we're sinking in, and we're pressing, and we're hanging out. Forearm. How do we use our forearm? Well, just place your forearm on the back and just do the same thing. So I like to have my forearm turning face down, be on those muscles near the spine, wiggle, sink, press. Wiggle, sink, press. And in this way, you just keep exploring the whole back, up and down the back, and then soon enough, you've given your daughter, your son, your family member, your loved one, an amazing back massage. Now in Opal's case, she loves to bike. In fact, we just went for a bike ride up and down some hills, and she's talking about her back being sore because it's one of those old kind of steel heavy bikes, and she's using her whole body. There's no gears on it, and so by the end of it, she's feeling it in her back. So what a sweet reward, what a great time to give her a little massage. Or maybe you want to massage your kid right before bed, so not only the feet, but then add the back in as well. So we know kids are running around, they're using their whole bodies, they're also growing at such a rapid rate. Those muscles get tired, and they're going to be so happy when they feel that. And then when you do it consistently, like we've been doing it for years, it just deepens the bonds. It helps to get that love flowing between you and your partner, or between you and your daughter, and we just love it. So here's the bonus that you can add in at the end of your back massage. So also great for the back, but we're going to take the legs and just scoot them up and just start taking them forward and back. So this is playful. This is fun. This is great for the lower back. And then depending on how your partner is, Opal is super flexible. So she wants her feet to go all the way up above her head. As you can tell, she's asking for it. She's like, Daddy, bring it. Okay, here you go. And another great one that you can do, we'll take her feet, ask her to put them together, knees apart. So like a butterfly flapping its wings, and then press the feet into the body that way. Now Opal is, again, wanting to show you her flexibility where her feet are literally going up above.
And onto the pillow.
Onto the pillow, her face is kind of popping up between. So that's her flexibility. If your kids are tighter, just take them until you feel some resistance and just go in and out, in and out. And now the thing about these two that kids often just love is because it's just playful. It's essentially taking their body, they run around, they're playing, they're climbing, they're doing stuff all day, and then we're just kind of bringing that into a massage. So finish up with those couple of bonus moves, and then you're just going to give the back a sweet stretch. You're going to give good circulation to the whole body, and just a wonderful way to finish things off. So Opal, any last words as we say goodbye to our friends here?
Actually, yes. I really hope when you try this out, it helps your kid feel better. Much better. Another great time to do it is, let's say your kid had a really, really tight back and it was starting to hurt them. Mm-hmm. That's always a good time to do it.
That's a very good point. So of course, if your kids are hurting, just take a break. Give them a good 5-minute back massage and they'll feel great and then ready to go again. All right. Thanks, Opal. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.